This is a really nice garden hose. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this 50-foot garden hose. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So with this, you're going to get the hose, the nozzle, a carrying handle, and some pipe tape. This is a non-expanding hose. So it works more like a standard hose. It doesn't inflate with water when you put water into it, but it is also very flexible and very lightweight. I was actually really surprised on how lightweight this hose actually is. As we drug it around the yard to water the lawn, we didn't have any issues with it getting bent. The nozzle that it comes with has 10 different settings, and all you have to do is turn the dial to change to which setting you want. The other thing that I really liked about this is instead of having to hold down a trigger to water the lawn, it uses an on and off valve. And that valve is actually below the nozzle. So you could put any nozzle you want on it, and then you have this on and off valve. So you turn it on and water slowly frees through it. Turn it off when you're done. I really like this feature. I thought this was a really cool feature of this hose. In conclusion, this hose worked out really well for us. We're really happy with it. I love how lightweight it is. We recommend this.